Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix US Bank mobile app keeps crashing issue in Android. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Click US Bank mobile. Click storage use. Click clear data. Then click OK. Click back. Open any app. Click storage use. Click clear cache. Same process, step by step clear all app cache. Click about device. Click storage. Click clean. Click clean. Then restart your phone. Then open Google Play Store. Then search US Bank Mobile. Click US Bank Mobile. If you get any update, please update. Thanks for watching.